Goffle. Je ne suis pas dans les way de John Jola. Maman, Jody Posh. See the way I calang for my own boy. Men and can give me chop and she don't for back the gush. Fish.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, your best place for natural hair care, self-care, wig reviews and lifestyle. If you know you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's free. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. Without wasting so much of your time, let's get into the video of how I achieved this fluffy natural wig. Hi guys, today's video we're gonna review this queen wave. I ordered this hair from AliExpress and it came through DHL. So I ordered this hair like 4 months ago and I just kept the waves so that I'm gonna make it into a wig. So you see here, this is the manual. This is what came out of it. It's very essential for you to read some of this because there's no refunds and hairs that they sell off there on that website, how to take care of the hair to get the most out of it. So these are the recommended products that they put out there for us to use for the wig. I washed them and I used one of these one time and added it onto my hair. So this is not how they look like when they come out straight out of the box, how they look like immediately they're out of the box. And I had already dialed this one into jet black. So on here you have, this is the 14-inch I got, the 16-inch and the 18-inch I got. I want to sew it into a wig, so you're gonna need a wig cap, a dumb hair, sewing needles and thread for you to sew that on. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna start with the 18-inch instead because I want it to layer off. So if I start with the short, the 14-inch, it's gonna, I don't want it that way. So I'm gonna start with the 18-inch first at the bottom.
Your minimal hair, big one hair, and then I'm on to touch in the water.
That is looking like. See. Ooh, his hair is huge. Oh my goodness. Yeah. This is huge. Wow. Oh my gosh. Yes. Thank you. See, mommy. This is huge. Wow. He actually you see my face at all. Ew. Winter's coming, so I decided to make a wig that I can just throw on and just walk out the door and I'll still be good. So wait, this camera is not doing this hair and this look justice. Y'all, this is that Instagram. Y'all not ready for me. Wow. Okay. I went into the bathroom and I shaped it off. So this is what it looks like at the back. So, and super, I love this wig. This is so cute. It turned out so good. This will be my hairstyle for throughout this winter. I'm gonna be rocking this wig like every time. This is so cute. See, by the time I'm done and I do my makeup, and you guys are gonna see. And please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell down there so you get notified each time I post a new video. So this is how it turned out. So I'm gonna pre-pull the hair using a conditioner over there, wash it off and let it dry, and then tomorrow I'm gonna wear it and then take some pictures and give you guys another review and show you guys how it looks like after pre-pull. And then maybe put in a little bit of styling cream to maybe define the curls a little bit and then tame it a little bit. This hair is giving me girl, I love this wig. This is so cute. This is it. So I'm just gonna take it off and wash it. Okay, so I'm gonna wash the hair. I'm gonna co-wash the hair using this Tresemme conditioner right here. And so this is the wig right here. So we're just gonna pre-pull the hair and try to tame it a little bit. This is all the shedding. And I'm sure the shedding is coming out from like when I trimmed it. So this is all the shedding here. the shedding I got washing, finger detangling and detangling with the diamond brush. So I took out everything and this is all the shedding I got. Pretty good. Curly to coil hair types as a styling cream. So I applied a little bit of this on the hair to define the curls a little bit. So texture on the loves. So you can see this hair is beautiful. I can't get over myself. I just love the hair. I love the way it turned out. So let's get into the advantages and disadvantages of this hair. So for the advantage, I'm gonna start with the positive side. Now the hair is so soft, it feels so natural. So if you're going for a more natural look of a wig or hair, you could go for this one because this is really good. It looks so natural and real. Someone might think it's my hair, but it's not. So number two positive about this hair is that it doesn't shed that much. You saw when I pre-put it, I finger detangle and I use a diamond brush to comb it out. The shedding was just barely, it was very little, because considering that this is a natural hair, it's bound to shed, and hair sheds. So but with the quantity I had, it was very little, so it's a win-win for this one. So that's another positive side about the hair. And then another thing is budget friendly. So you didn't have to break a bank to buy like 3 bundles. It was about $100 and something for you to have there's 3 bundles that I used. So I used the 14-inch, the 16-inch, and the 18-inch. So and then also the full point that is really good for this hair is that the shipping was really fast. Although I have had this hair like months back, so I don't know with the COVID right now, so I don't know how long it could take if you order the hair right now, but I think their hair and their customer service is really good. So that's another advantage. With respect to the disadvantage, I don't think I have any disadvantage about this hair. There's nothing bad I would talk about with this hair, because you all see, this is dope. This is dope. I've been rocking this hair throughout this winter time. This is good. This is gorgeous. So is it worth your money? Is it worth your coins? I would say yes, go for it, because the advantages are more than the disadvantage. So if you're a natural girl and you want to have something that you could always just throw on and you're looking slayed, so I would say go for this. So this queen wave is a win-win. So you can go buy some and make some wig like I did. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, and please
go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and show your girl some love, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post new videos. I have other videos about hair care, self-care, and lifestyle, so you go ahead and watch those other videos and share, comment, share with your friends and families. Love you all and God bless. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye guys.